Press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
Hey guys, this is Sophie Chaudhary. You're watching me on IWM Buzz.
Hi Sophie, welcome to IWM Buzz. And firstly, I want to tell you something. Like from my teenagers, I'm stalking you like एक परदेसी दिल ले गया, तब से लेकर अब तक आप वैसी हो. What your fitness mantra? I know आपने सबको बता दिया, बस आप एक और बात हमारे लिए बता दीजिए. No, from starting I'm seeing you from teenage, you are the same the way I'm seeing you always.
मुझे लग रहा था कि शायद मैं बेहतर होती जा रही हूँ वक्त के साथ.
No,
कोशिश तो यही
yeah.
है. I don't know. I think जब आप छोटे होते हैं ना, like in your 20s, सब आपको बताते हैं कि जब आप 30s तक पहुंचेंगे, you'll look better, you'll feel better, आप ज़्यादा खुश रहोगे, और आपको ऐसा लगता है कि वो ऐसे ही कह रहे हैं आपको. But really मेरे साथ ऐसा ही हुआ है कि वक्त के साथ all confidence, comfortable in my own skin, happier, और मेरी fitness journey बहुत ही interesting हो गई है मेरे लिए. It's become a huge part of my life. फिटनेस के बगैर मेरा दिन ही नहीं गुजरता. आई बिलीव इन वर्किंग आउट, ईटिंग राइट, स्टेइंग हेल्दी. इट्स जस्ट अ ह्यूज पार्ट ऑफ माय लाइफ एंड आई थिंक उसका असर मेरी ज़िंदगी पे पड़ रहा है इन एवरीथिंग दैट आई डू, इन द वे आई कैरी माई सेल्फ, इन जस्ट द वे आई लुक. सो थैंक यू फॉर द कॉम्प्लीमेंट, बट आई थिंक I'm just happier and fitter now than ever before.
I think you're following the PM Modi rules also, the Fit India. So, and this is the show about the fitness. So,
Yeah.
is this inspired by the Modi, PM Modi?
I think our Prime Minister Modi ji's Fit India movement is wonderful, but I think मैं उससे पहले से ही fit हो रही हूँ. I think my inspirations have been going on a lot more. I mean, what he's doing is amazing.
Yeah.
And मेरी उम्मीद यही है कि पूरा मुल्क और fit होता जाए और aware होता जाए, excuses कम दे, कम lazy हुए, and I think that's wonderful. It's a fabulous initiative. But I've been fit for a long time. I've believed in fitness for a long time, and मेरे icons यहाँ पे भी बहुत हैं, चाहे वो श्री अमिताभ बच्चन हो जो इतना काम करते हैं अभी भी, and he can't do it unless he's fit. From an Anil Kapoor and an Akshay Kumar who I've worked with, to we have amazing fitness icons, even a Malaika, and for me somebody like a Jennifer Lopez who's 50 years old and she was absolutely incredible. I think आजकल की डेट में age really is just a number. It's about how fit and healthy you are. So yes, I love the initiative by our Prime Minister, but मैं थोड़ा सा पहले से ही फिट हो रही हूँ.
तो इस शो के बारे में जानना चाहेंगे. There is also a hashtag called EduTalk. So, what is all about?
So my brand new show is called TikTok Presents Work It Up with Sophie. It's gonna be streaming only on Voot. हर संडे को आपको एक नया एपिसोड मिलेगा. इसमें जो इंटरेस्टिंग बात ये है कि टिकटॉक और वुड जो मेरे पास आए was not a regular chat show. They came to me for a chat show which blends fitness and Bollywood. तो मैं अपने कुछ दोस्तों के साथ वर्कआउट कर रही हूँ जिम में या जहाँ पे भी वो वर्कआउट करते हैं, और साथ साथ हमारी बातें चल रही हैं about their life, about their fitness secrets, diet secrets, गपशप, gossip, जैसे होता है. It's a really fun show, but उसमें educational value भी है. ये जो hashtag EduTalk है, ये बहुत ही unusual है क्योंकि जब TikTok इस शो का हिस्सा बनना चाह रहे थे, मैं खुद सोच रही थी कि TikTok कैसे बनेंगे. I mean, उस पर तो लोग वीडियोस बनाते हैं, डायलॉग करते हैं, गानों का lip sync करते हैं. I mean, how are they getting into the fitness space? But उनका जो hashtag है EduTalk, it's famous the world over in that people actually learn something. If you have a skill which is, you want to teach people English, you want to teach them about fitness, dance, cooking, whatever it is, people can learn that all through TikTok, which is kind of interesting, innovative, unexpected. और वही हमारे शो के जरिए लोगों को मिलेगा कि every week they'll see one of the celebrities teaching you how to do a common exercise the right way. And I think that's great knowledge. It's creativity and it's knowledge at the same time. But yeah, हमारा जो शो है वो कोई ज्ञानी शो नहीं है. It's not preachy. You're gonna learn a lot for sure, but it's not preachy. It's fun, it's interesting, and I hope it makes people want to get fit.
So, has been कि जब दो लोग मिलते तो मसाला तो मिलता ही है. तो इसमें क्या नया मसाला सुनने को मिलेगा एक्टर्स के बारे में? So, anything you want to share about their secrets?
There's so many things. I mean, जैसे कृति से बात करेंगे about whatever her struggles, or हम सब सोचते हैं कि कृति skinny and so she's perfect, but उनके अपने struggles थे. About some of her co-stars we're gonna talk. You're gonna see her in full action, squat action while she's talking about things, which is really good fun. मलाइका के बारे में मैंने उनसे ये भी पूछा कि आपके जो इर्द गिर्द लोग हैं, that includes me, कि बहुत pressure आ जाता है to stay fit. So what about other people in your life? Do they feel a lot of pressure? With Vani also, मैंने उनसे पूछा कि जब ऋतिक रोशन आपके सामने होता है, आप किसी चीज़ पे कैसे focus कर सकते हो? There's lots of fun things. There's, you know, who do they think is fit? Who do they think is hot? Whose body do they want to have? Who do they want to work out with? You know, all of these kind of things you're going to get to hear. And you'll see us doing things in the gym जो बहुत ही unexpected.
So we have small game, this or that. You have to choose one. Okay, cardio or strength?
Strength.
Okay, upper body strength or lower body strength?
Oh, you can't choose. Core strength.
Okay, water or sports drink?
Sorry?
Water or sports drink?
Water every time.
Okay, fitness machine or body weight?
Body weight. Pilates is all about your own body weight.
Zumba or Pilates?
Pilates.
Okay, strength before workout or after workout?
Stretch.
Oh, sorry, stretch
Stretch.
before. Sorry. Yeah. Stretch before workout or after workout?
You should stretch before and after the workout.
Okay, eat before workout or after workout?
Eat after workout.
Okay, you're night gym girl or day?
Day. I'm a morning girl. रात को मुझे बहुत नींद आती है.
Okay, any message for the audience finally?
बस मैं ऑडियंस से ये कहना चाहूँगी कि प्लीज़ हमारा नया शो ज़रूर देखिएगा. वर्क इट अप विद सोफी बहुत अनयूजुअल है, बहुत फन है. जो लोग मुझे मिस कर रहे थे इस बीजे सोफी, आई गेस you'll get to see me back as the host avatar with lots of gorgeous people, fit people जो I'm sure आपको इंस्पायर करेंगे. आप उनके बारे में बहुत सारी ऐसी चीज़ें जानेंगे जो शायद आपको नहीं पता था. So hopefully you'll love the show. So please check it out, streaming only on Boot.
Okay, Sophie, last thing, every bigger face is coming to the OTT platform in a web show. So what's your plan?
I think I'm already on the OTT
Yeah.
platform, you know, with my own show. It starts with Work It Up, and you'll definitely see me doing a lot more soon.
Okay, thank you so much and all the best.
Thanks.